Visordown is here at Eicma with Max Mirabella, the brand and communication manager of Dainese, and he's going to take us through the exciting new de-airing from the brand.
So good day everyone, here we are at Eicma presenting the third generation of the Air. That's the first motorcycle airbag ever developed, and now after 20 years we're going to hit the third generation, which adds a lot of important innovation which we're about to see in a second. But at the core of the airbag itself, it's the bag itself, which is still the Dainese patent that allows the airbags to inflate properly in a balanced way. That's our patented filament technology that allows the entire airbag to fill with the amount of pressure that needs to build a shield around your body. So this year we're launching the third generation, which maintains this technology but adds a lot of important innovation. First of all, when we look, it's gonna expand to a big, wider range of products. So we're gonna have two-piece leather suit that are now fitting airbag technologies. We're still gonna have a new racing leather suit, and we have Carb Master 2, which is a de-air Gore-Tex jacket. So here we are with one of the new products that's gonna fit the air. This is Carb Master 2. It's a Gore-Tex jacket. It's one of our most successful Gore-Tex jacket. And here you can see one of the first improvement of the third generation of the Airs. When I open the jacket, what the customer is gonna find inside the jacket is just this part here is gonna mean that there's a de-air system. But when I open the jacket, the de-air is completely disappeared. Previous generation had connection system, had a vest. Here everything is completely integrated in the jacket. That means as easy to wear as a normal jacket, and on top of that we save 37% of the weight compared to the previous generation. That was always one of the main goals for the Air. Number one goal 20 years ago was to make an airbag that properly function around the body. That's why we patented the filament technology. The second goal was to make the Air a lot more democratic. So first thing we made it easy to use, a lot lighter, a lot easier to wear as a normal jacket. But the third generation of the Airs also had a big important saving. So this jacket now retails for about 1,200 euros, which is around 600 euro less than the previous generation. That has been a big important goal in the industrialization of the project, making sure that the airbag is accessible to a lot more people. And two newer products, Tuono, the Air jacket, and Racing Free, the Air leather jacket. Now both jacket features our Air road technology system, and as we saw before, also in this case, when I open the jacket, on the other side, the only thing which is gonna tell me that there's a de-air system is the LED light, but when I open the jacket, the system has completely disappeared. So it's very invisible, but it's there to protect in the case you need it. Now, the third generation of the Air, it also has an improved algorithm, so that's a constant effort that we're doing to make the algorithm better at understanding where there is a potential impact happening. But on top of that, on the third generation of the Air, we had the opportunity that in case of an activation, customer can replace their bag directly at the dealership, to an authorized Air dealership. I'm gonna go on. And the last important news in the range is that we have finally a Air collection dedicated to women. That means products that are anatomically designed for women that fit the Air technology. We have, in this case, we have a racing suit which features the Air racing technology inside, and then we also have the Air rotor technology on a two-piece leather suit and on a leather jacket.